Look, I've already spoken briefly just in the area of mortgages about the 80% loan-to-value limit on mortgage lending that the central bank is proposing. What has been less remarked upon is the proposal in relation to the ratio which the central bank wants to cap at 3.5 times the combined earning of the borrowers. Last week, the CEO of Ulster Bank, Jim Brown, told the Oireachtas Finance Committee that if the new proposed rules were enforced this year, 68% of first-time buyers would not have been granted mortgages. And this is hugely concerning, obviously, going forward. Without access to mortgage credit, young families will place increasing demands on the rental and social housing markets. A balance, I believe, needs to be struck as a matter of priority between tight regulation and access to credit for first-time borrowers. I believe the solution may lie in private international insurance companies who could bridge the gap between needing to make finance safer and the increasingly pressing need to house the population. In effect, private insurance could offer mortgage protection policies to first-time buyers that would cover 10% of the loan-to-value amount, allowing banks to lend up to 90% of the mortgage. The bank is then protected against the first 20% of any loss on the mortgage, and this achieves the central bank's aim of making the bank safer or limiting the risk to banks, whilst at the same time not putting house purchase beyond the reach of first-time buyers. Similar mortgage insurance methods have been used in the US for almost a century to enable borrowers to obtain finance for housing. And of course we need to ensure that we don't create any sort of a bubble, as commentators have been suggesting, but at the same time we need to ensure ownership remains an attainable ambition for young credit-worthy families. And I think there was a call last week for a debate on mortgages, and I'm sure the leader is arranging, but this would be something that I would propose to the Minister for Finance if he comes to the House to discuss the matter in the near future. Thank you.